Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by installing Teams and signing in with your organization account. This gets you into the workspace immediately. Once done, grant microphone, camera, and calendar permissions so calls and meetings work seamlessly. If your org uses single sign-on or two-factor authentication, follow those prompts now. Make sure notifications are enabled so you don't miss messages. After sign-in completes, you'll land in Activity. This sets the stage for joining chats and meetings without extra configuration. Next, learn where things live and how to act quickly. Use the bottom navigation, Activity, Chat, Teams, Calendar, Calls, Files to move between conversations and meetings. You can start a chat, create a channel, or pin a chat for instant access. Pinning reduces time searching. When in a meeting, tap to toggle your mic and camera or change your background to stay focused. Make sure to mute noisy threads and install any recommended apps in a team to streamline workflows. To finish, share and manage files and lock in settings that fit your day. Use the Files tab or OneDrive to upload and attach documents directly into chats and channels. This preserves version history. Then, customize notifications, call forwarding, and data usage to avoid surprises on mobile. If something breaks, first force close the app and reopen it, then verify permissions in iPhone settings. If issues persist, sign out and reinstall. That usually clears corrupted caches and restores normal operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.